Hello everybody, thank you for joining my channel. Today, as you see here, we have two M2 models. Been wanting to do a review about this one. It's pretty cool. And this is the second one I just bought. So, let's crack it open. This is a military truck. 49 Studebaker to our truck. I don't know, I've been putting off buying M2s because I don't see a lot of cool stuff, but these two models really caught my eye. And gotta screw in. Put that over there. Nice base, by the way, plastic with that metal look. Pretty cool. Here's the truck. Let's see if we can. There we go. Have opening hood. Pretty cool. And we have opening doors. And metal base, of course. Pretty cool military design. This is the only part that's plastic. Good design. We have some numbers, front bumper, and lights, and more stuff in the back. USA and 1949. Now, this one. The main reason why it caught my eye is because it's a Bigfoot. I don't know what you guys call that, or if you guys have it anywhere else, but limited to 7,200 pieces worldwide, and it comes with two, I guess, figures. Let's crack it open. Oh, the back. This is the back. Pretty cool stuff. Model. Let's switch our camera for a little bit. Pretty cool. Again, metal base, rubber tires. Even that tire's rubber. Violent turds. Adventure weights. Pretty cool camper thingy. No moving parts on this one, but take a look at this. Honk if you believe in Bigfoot. That's awesome. Okay, let me get those figures and let's put this on a little diorama so that it looks a lot better. We'll be back. Well, there you go, guys. Looks much better on a diorama. I don't know about you, but I like it a lot. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.